Hey guys, Wade here with Kriete Truck Centers and Racine. My number is 262-340-2282. And today I've got this amazing 2023 Mack Anthem sleeper with only 184,000 miles. It's got the MP8 engine and the automatic MDrive transmission. It also has a bunch of factory warranty remaining. You can see it has new virgin rubber. It has air slide fifth, deck plates, everything you need. This truck has been fully inspected, DOT'd, serviced, and is ready to get to work. It also has full cabinets inside and a double bunk, so you can see this is what you need. If you like what you're seeing, you want to come see me, stop by in Racine, or give me a call at 262-340-2282, or check us out online at KrieteTruckCenters.com. Thanks, guys.